अस्सलाम वालेकुम। अपना नाम
My name is Eman
और एजुकेशन और बैकग्राउंड बताइए प्लीज।
and I am a CS graduate from UBI Karachi University. My professional background has been from marketing. I've worked in government modern marketing and SEO for like 3 years now. So after my graduation, I decided to explore data science a bit, and I found this option to join Karachi from one of the alumni from here.
So what was your experience about this course?
The CS has been good. It's a very hands-on course. बहुत ही practical knowledge मिलती है. You actually get to practice what you are learning. आपको Python practice करने में मिलती है. आपको assignments मिलते हैं, वो और practical होते हैं. We are business related, तो आपको business की knowledge भी मिल रही है. So that kind of great. The teachers are. I would like to tell the people who are looking to join that this course requires your time and your effort. If you're actually willing to join here, there's decide on what you can. अच्छा ना उस पे देना है, weekly इस पे daily enough time देना है. Only then you'll be able to successfully complete it.
Would you recommend it to your friend?
100%.
100%, right? Okay, so your course was CDA. So what tool did you learn?
We studied Python, W, SQL, ML, and AI, and style.
So concept कैसे थे आपके उससे पहले और उसके बाद में?
I had some basic knowledge of Python, but यहाँ पे आके मुझे Python को कैसे utilize करें data analysis के लिए उसकी काफी knowledge मिली. Then even though I'm from a computer science background, I was not very clear about stats. So मुझे stats की काफी अच्छी understanding मिली और AI and ML से अच्छा understand हुआ. Or it was just an introductory, so we're looking, but it had given me some interest. You know, if interest level होते हैं कि हाँ मैं शायद से ML related को explore करूँ.
Okay, so आप उसको अपने करियर में एज अ प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में उन चीज़ों को कैसे यूज़ करेंगे?
Since most of my work is around SEO and content marketing, तो वहाँ हम देख रहे होते हैं, marketing trends देख रहे होते हैं, क्या है क्या out है, how can we utilize the data we have about keywords and things like that. उससे कैसे आप आगे फिर से खरीद सकते, तो उसमें एक डेटा की नॉलेज, डेटा की लिटरेसी और
Right. Thank you very much. Thank you.